What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be going to meet up with a Sur Ron friend of mine. We're gonna be hitting the trails right in the mountains way over there. What up? Yo, this is the homie right here with his Sur Ron. All right, yeah, we're about to go hit the trails. We have a little bit of, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 miles to get there on the street. I'll show you some of that. It's gonna be the first time of me testing my direct mount on the trail, so looking forward to that. All right, let's go, man. About to mob the street real quick to get to the trails. This should be really, really fun. It's kind of getting to be rush hour right now, so get to pass everybody. That's what I love about a bike. Sidewalk, go! Alright guys, we made it. This area is so much fun. I mean, I came here on multiple occasions and showed you a few trails. We're about to hit a really cool trail right here on the way to our destination. My tires are full. I need to take some air out.
Wait, what?
I need to take a little bit of air out because I'm definitely feeling it, especially in the front. Yeah. We'll take a little bit out. That's it. Let's go. Hopefully this should be better. Good. Yeah, had to take some air out of my tire. I still had a PSI up from my range test. So, whew, so much better now. I'm gonna let the friend lead us and set the pace. We'll just follow. Trail is so narrow. That was fun.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I love, yeah, it's overgrowing like crazy, huh? Yeah. So this is where our trail starts. Starts from right here. I'm gonna put all the info of exactly where we are right now and where we're headed. Now I want you guys to sit back, enjoy this cool trail. I'm gonna try to keep my mouth shut. But so far I'm super enjoying the direct mount on my Sur Ron. I'll leave a link in the description. So nice, so smooth. Yeah, I love it. Saw a snake over here once. I'm not sure what kind it was. I don't think it was a rattlesnake. but we saw it right around the area a little bit more down. Shot a rock at me. But yeah, for those who don't know, I'm running a Maxxis Max Cross IT tire in the rear, and I'm running the Dunlop MX33 in the front. I do have a lot of miles on them already, but I love them. Usually we kind of stop around this area to take a break. No break, just continue. Huh? No break, just continue. We'll break at the end. Yeah, like I said, we usually take a break over there. Chill out for a second. But I want you guys to see the whole trail. Wow, it's getting dusty. Whoa, bunny. You gotta turn. It's that way. I got confused last time too.
That's the swamp.
Yeah, exactly. This way is the exit. We're almost there. This area usually smells like, oh, there it is, smells like sulfur, bad. I don't know what it is, but very nice, and we made it. This is the exit point that I was talking about. Wow, I mean, we got here fairly quick. The trail is not that long. It just ends over here in this neighborhood. I came over here, if you guys remember, to go to that Kobe Memorial site up there. If we take this road all the way down, we'll eventually hit the beach, Malibu and stuff. So gonna do that one day. That was fun, huh, Wes?
That was dope.
Super fun trail. Hey, tell them about your Sur Ron and what kind of setup are you running right now? Those are the Dunlops as well on the front?
No, these are the Pirelli Scorpions.
Pirelli Scorpions on the front, and then what?
The Dunlop MX33.
The Dunlops. Okay, so we're running the same. The tire that I'm running on my front, Wes is running on his rear. He had this tire actually longer than mine, and it's holding up beautifully. Obviously, a lot is gone from the knobs, but I mean, look at that. That's crazy. He's had this tire, I think, for like 600 miles at least or something.
Probably 1,000.
Insane. So we have a little bit different of a setup, but we are both running 19s. He's still got the stock battery, stock controller. He's definitely gonna upgrade that soon and turn this thing into a monster. He's got the seat and got that custom fender in the rear, making it look beastie, you know. So that was the trail. That was a super fun trail. I'll put up all the information on the screen, and I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.